Welcome, and this is a little introduction into TradingLounge. If you're a new member, how to navigate certain elements within the website. First of all, if you're joining, this is the best deal here. So even though the pricing is here, this 3-for-1 here works out at the best price. So you pay for 1 month, which will be $69, but you'll get 2 free extra months. So that works out about $23 a month for 3 months, and then it'll roll over into the $69, or you can buy a quarterly and save money, or yearly and save money, those sort of things. But the 3 months is kind of important because it really gives you a chance to get to know us, because you may enter the markets when the market's in a bull run, and or you may enter the markets when a trading lounge when there's a bear market or a correction. So having a little bit of time to get to understand who we are and what we do and how we handle things is, I think, the 3 months is a good way forward on that. Also, to the next step here is that this is us. This is that's me. My hair's grown a little bit since that one, but that's what you get when you're isolated up in the mountains. I handle 2 videos each day, and Alessio, he covers US stocks, so the top 50 US, no, maybe not the top 50 US stocks, and they change now and again depending on people's requests and those sorts of things. But basically puts out US stocks, daily charts, Elliott wave counts, and Kitty Pon does the crypto. So we cover a good dozen crypto in a fair bit of detail. Malik, he handles the FX. He also handles some indices as well. So just for basically trend traders. So he covers 20 indexes once a week, just for sort of trend trading. But if you need updates on those sorts of things, then you can ask Malik or myself. And then we come over to Sammy here, who handles all the commodities. He also handles some crypto, some Bitcoin in the chat module each day as well, so updating that there. And Joel, he's our full-time software engineer, and he's working with our Elliott Wave algo program and our AI program. Marcia is support, and Shane handles the ASX stocks. He also handles the dollar bonds and yields, which are updated in the chat module each day as well. And Harsh handles the stocks, top 50 nifty stocks in the Indian market. So in a nutshell, we have 7 analysts here, and when you join TradingLounge, we don't segregate our service up into this bit and that bit, and you pay extra for this and that and all that. You get all of our work and all of our software and help and education within all of this. So that's why I feel like it's one of the best valued Elliott Wave services on the market, because you can access, and through the chat module you can chat to the team here and get some help on wave counts or ask questions. So we're really here to help. Obviously we're not perfect, but we do our best, and we're very lucky I feel very lucky to have this fantastic team here. They're all really top grade Elliott Wave analysts. Okay, so that's that, and let's log in and have a little tour in here. So just bear with me for a second. Okay, so we're at the dashboard. Now when you arrive at the dashboard here, all of this here will be blank. Okay, so what you can do is you can put this in edit mode here, and once you have things here, you can move things around here. So this will be this is just a quick way to access things. So when you come down, because all the latest, like if I like forex, then all the latest forex is going to be here. Today's forex is going to be in here, or crypto. So it's just an easy way to access things. But if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see add widget here. So you click on that and you can just add a widget. So I've ticked it here. I'm going to untick this, but yeah, you can just start clicking and build your own dashboard within all of that. So I'll just come back up here and turn that off there, but that will just give me access to I won't click on it, but that will take me to social chat. This will take me to crypto. This will take me to education. These are the latest stocks coming in here, for the same with FX and crypto here. So you kind of know what's been updated, as such. So that's good. And then we come over to the analysis here. So Malik does the Forex charges, Kitty Pond does these here, somebody does these ones here. I do this video each day, so there's 3 videos here. Global indices, Malik also handles that. I handle the tech stock videos, US charts from Alessio. Shane does the top 50 Australian charts, and Harsh does the 50 top Indian stocks here. So as an example, if I click on this top one here, all the latest information will be here. But if you wanted to find something in here, you just click on, well, this is called a hamburger, these 3 little things here, okay? And so then you can just click on, whatever you need here, and there it is there, so to speak, So that will be the same for all of these, except for the videos, because the videos I just put in, I keep 3, so this is today's video. And so I just keep 3 videos here, otherwise it takes too long for the page to, but they're updated each day. So this is all our analysis work here, okay? So that's, and you'll have access to all of this. Now the next thing here, just briefly, is we've got the stock check, crypto check, Forex check, commodity check here. So I'll just go to one of these. So if I just go to the stock check here, we do put out trades. When we see something. So this stock check here, this will handle US stocks and Australian stocks. We'll be handling the Indian stocks here very shortly in terms of putting trades out. And I suggest here, so you can go to trade recommendations here, okay? So I won't go into that at the moment, but it's there. What I suggest here is, this is quite a complex piece of software here, so I suggest watching these go to these help videos here to watch how to use this. You don't need to set it up. You can just go straight to trade recommendations. And there'll also be trade recommendations coming into the chat module as well here. But you could also open your own trades here. This is a whole portfolio suite in here, and it handles leverage and all the rest of it. And you got your stock screeners and all those sorts of things. So it's pretty complex, and you need to set it up if you're going to use it. So you'll need to watch the help video. So these help videos, you could use this one here for all of these ones here: commodity check, Forex check, yada yada yada. So I won't bore you to death with that, but it can help you find yourself around in this, and you can set up oodles of different portfolios and delete them and set them up and whatnot. So that's that. And then we come down to the chat module. So with the chat module, it's the login that you have for TradingLounge that you've logged into up here, that you've logged in, will not get you into the chat module here. The chat module, you need to create your own username and password. Make sure that you write those down, because I will not be able to access your password in here, okay? So when I log in here, it will probably log in, I don't really use this account much, but when you log in here, it'll come to a login page, but it'll probably just log me straight in, because once you've logged in, and it'll pretty much keep you logged in, but it might briefly show it here as a login. Yeah, see that little thing that was just then? You need to create your own username and passwords and all that sort of thing. So I'm just logged in as a normal user, so you'll have access to all of this stuff here. So we've got indices here for this, and you can just get rid of this noise over here and stuff, so you've got a bit more space here and for this. And so things getting uploaded in here for indices and commodities is pretty active as well in here. So so Shane also updates the dollar bonds and yields. So this dollar bonds and yields in here, that gets updated here as well in here. So you can just click on it. You can upload your own charts in here too if you want, charts and videos, and you can talk to different analysts in each of these different sections in here. Or if you need help just generally, there's a general log here, and the same for the Elliott wave algo. If you need help with that, or portfolios here, you can help with that as well. So this is a way that you can communicate to the analysts, and also there'll be intraday updates. You could also talk to other people in here. You can talk to them in private, or you can talk to them in public as well. So yeah, so it's a very helpful part of our website. And then next of all, we come down here, we've got learn here, which is education. So there's there's educate. There's I mean, we do Elliott wave, so we've got a really good Elliott wave course here. We do the trading levels, so I recommend you while you're at TradingLounge, learn the trading levels. I strongly recommend that. So you may come to TradingLounge and as a bit of a pit stop and learn a few things and move on, and that's fantastic, and we're happy to help. And or you may stay around because of our Elliott wave abilities and whatnot. So basically, we've got a pretty full-on sort of course here for learning, but also here as well, tools here. There's a trading game in here, and also the trading levels here as well. So if you've got TradingView charting program here, then we've got a trading levels indicator that will sit on TradingView, and the way that you get it is you email me here, and you give me this name that's sitting here. So this is TradingView up in the corner here. This is TradingView, but this is a TradingLounge, login for TradingView. So I need to see this username here. You send me that username here, and then I grant you access. And what will happen is, into your indicators and metrics here, there'll be an invite script only that will pop up, and this is the script here. So this will be the software. And you can access it, and it'll just pop on your chart at that time. So I won't go into it at the moment. It'll be there. So that's that. Also in here, there's a trading game. So if you want to learn day trading, that you can set up your stop and your entries and leverage and all that. That's in there. I won't go into that. The charting is just a TradingView charting program. The Elliott wave algo here is that I'll just use my one here because it's set up a bit. So this is it here. You put you put whatever stock that you want into that section there. Now it's accessing that. So there's a couple of things here. I won't go into a full-blown explanation of all of this, but there's three main things here. Right? First of all, Joel is working on this full time, so there's always changes going on and new indicators and this and that going on with it. So first of all, there's this little tab here. So it covers all the Elliott wave labeling and all that sort of stuff. So this one here is your algo. So it will do the counting for you. So this is using the Elliott wave algo here. So it's put this count here for this. Secondly, you can do your own labeling with these here. This is impulse wave, corrective waves here. Over here, all your settings are over here on this one, or this one here, I think. So you've got all your Elliott wave tools and degrees, and you can have them populating on certain degrees coming onto the chart and all the rest of it there. But that's that. And over here, you've got create your own watch lists over here. Here you've got the trading. See the trading levels here. These things here. So I can open this up here and set everything. Oh, they're my pivots. Sorry, that's not correct. That's these ones here. It's a new one that we've just got in. So see those little green dots and red dots? It just shows me how the whole thing's been counted. That's all. So I can just quickly see here and know how the computers counted it. I don't need to. I don't need to see anymore. I don't need to see. Let me just. Oh, that's the trading levels now. Pivots. Here, So I don't need to see all the. I don't need to see all the pivots here. Do you know what I mean? I don't need to see a mass of them here, so I'll just do that. But all your there, the Elliott wave, the trading levels up here. That's the other one here. So I can set up how I want my levels, trading levels to show up, and what charts I want them to show up, what degrees I want them to show up on. So this is all subgroup 2 area here, and I can, I can adjust all of that stuff there. These are the Elliott wave pivots. Just to see, you've got all your basic indicators here, but that's the trading levels there. And over here, any charts that I've got here, that they will come up here. So all these motive waves that I've got on this chart here already, they will be, that I can access them from here. I can hide them from here and do all those sort of things from that particular point there. And this is the AI chat here. So I could look at whatever chart this is here and just click on this here. So we've got 3 AIs working on this situation, on this particular program here. So it's basically doing the intraday counts and all that sort of stuff here. And then then you could write here, I don't know, long trade setup here, and anyway, it'll communicate back to you at that page. You know what I mean? So this is AI here. We're still working on this, so it's a bit of a work in progress on this. I'll give you trade management and all those sort of things. So this is the AI, where this is the algo over here, and then these are where you set it up manually over here. So it's quite sophisticated. And if I want to, if I right click on here, I can decompose that that impulse wave or corrective wave. I can do analysis here. If I was looking for some ratio analysis for the top up there, I can put that, click it there, and it's given me these this zone up here to go with. Or I can do time analysis as well for all this as well. Do the yeah, it's okay. So yeah, so that it'll come up here, and all your channels and that will be will play out here as well. They'll just come straight on if you click them. I won't go into all of that, and your anyway, the degrees of structure and all those sorts of things. So anyway, it's a great learning tool here. So I can deconstruct this particular structure here to see how it's actually counted that there. But I won't go into all of that. But that's basically this charting program as such here. So yeah, quite a valuable thing. And so I think I've sort of covered most of it here. So yeah, that's basically it. So thanks for tuning in and learning, and yeah, log into the chat and help. Also too is that if you want to manage your subscriptions and those sorts of things, you can just do that by my account here. So if you've got PayPal, we're also adding Stripe in the next few weeks. So you'll be able to manage all your and see all your billing and all those sorts of things in that section there. If you want to unsubscribe, you can also do that from my account as well. You can also do it from your PayPal account. If you want help with that, well then we can help you unsubscribe. And you could also change, if you're on a monthly subscription and you want to change to a quarterly subscription to save money, well then you can do it through this section here as well. I'm currently working on an AI chat module to help answer these type of questions that I've been talking about today. So that's about a month away or so. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in. Cheers.